Hi! In this video, we're going to answer the question, what is a hemiola? It's a term you may or may not have come across, or something that somebody keeps referring to that leaves you wondering what it is. It actually sounds like something you might want to consult your doctor about. Doctor, I've got a case of the hemiolas, but it's nothing medical, so rest assured on that front. What is a hemiola? It's something that happens when we have a piece of music in triple time. So if we've got 3 beats and a bar, hemiola is something you might decide to use. And what's going on with hemiola is that we're temporarily imposing a sort of 2-beat structure on a 3-beat framework. So what do I mean by that? Well, normally 3/4, 3 crotchet beats in a bar, I'd be happily chugging along, going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 beats in every bar. The hemiola trick is this. I put a note in that takes up beats 1 and 2. Then I put a note in that takes up beats 3 and 1. And then a note that takes up 2 and 3. Then a note that takes up 1 and 2. So do you see what we're doing here? We're kind of imposing 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats. Sorry, that pen's a bit naff, isn't it? Never mind. And onto another 2 beats there. So I could actually count it in 2. So if I play this, it could go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, going into the next bar. So it sort of temporarily feels as if there might be 2 beats in a bar. They're not, it's just a feeling of that. Actually, if I count it in 3, it's going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So you see how it works? I'm still counting 3 beats, but I've got this 2, 2, 2, 2 arrangement. Now, quite often, a hemiola doesn't go for that length of time. I've just given you a decent length example so you can kind of see it. It's something that a composer might temporarily use. So we might be chugging along in a 3/4 piece. Then we might go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then go back to where we were before. So do you see, it's just a kind of temporary measure to make the rhythm sound a bit more interesting. It kind of displaces an accent, because here I'm feeling 1, 2, but here I'm feeling 3, 1, which isn't normally what you do, because in 3 time you normally feel the first beat, don't you? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But with hemiola, you slightly displace the accentuation. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and so on. So you might come across this in a piece of music. Only remember when you're in triple time. And so it's helpful to recognize it and to see what the composer's doing, trying to create this impact of displacing the natural stress of the meter by imposing 2 on a 3-time structure. And it's another device to use if you're writing music and you're thinking, actually my rhythm's getting a little bit boring or a little bit predictable, and I happen to be in triple time, maybe I could use a bit of hemiola. It doesn't work in other times, it's just this particular instance where you can impose this 2-time on a 3-time moment of music. So there we are, nothing to worry about, no need to go to the doctor, but this is what hemiola is all about.